Hello everyone and welcome to Sparkle English. Today's mini lesson is on the difference between weather and weather. It's very common for English language learners and even native English speakers to get confused about how to spell or use these words correctly, since they are homophones and sound exactly the same. Let's learn the difference between these two words. Weather, spelled W-E-A-T-H-E-R, is a noun and a verb. As a noun, weather means the atmosphere in terms of temperature, winds, clouds, and precipitation. Let's look at some examples of weather in a sentence. We had great weather last week. I haven't seen the weather forecast. Is it going to rain tomorrow? I don't like cold weather. Weather can also be a verb. As a verb, to weather means to withstand or to endure. It can also mean to wear away after long exposure to the atmosphere. Let's look at some examples of weather in a sentence. Prepare to weather the storm, the sailors said. The brick wall has weathered over the years. Now let's review the word weather, spelled W-H-E-T-H-E-R. Weather is a conjunction that has a similar meaning to the conjunction if. We often use weather when we are talking about a choice or doubt between two or more alternatives. I don't know whether to date Javier or Manuel. You are going to school whether you like it or not. I can't decide whether to study law or physics. Now let's look at some mixed examples using both weather and weather. She wants to go to the beach, whether the weather is wet or dry. When the weather is nice, they don't know whether to go to the beach or go to the park. Now it's your turn to practice. Write sentences using weather and weather in the comment section of this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Sparkle English for more videos on how to improve your level of English. Thanks for watching.